In this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step strategy I use to promote affiliate links on Quora without getting banned. And the best part, it's 100% free traffic. Make sure to watch this video until the end if you want to understand and get my method, my strategies that I'm using for free, using free traffic, no investment needed. And I have been doing this business for over 5 years, and I'm making over $15,000 every single month with affiliate marketing using free traffic from platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, and more. In this video, I'll share with you my method with Quora, okay? So stay with me till the end because I'm revealing a secret hack that can triple your conversions instantly. So let's get started. So for people who are new to my YouTube channel and you want to start making money with affiliate marketing using Quora, step number one, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. And as you can see, just last month I made $21,274 in commissions using free traffic. So step number one, you need to create an affiliate account like this one. So what you will do, it's super easy. Just go to Google and search for Fiverr, okay? Click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and just scroll down like this, go to company and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You guys can check this website. You can get more ideas and more information about how much you can earn with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying good commissions. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. And if you want to create an affiliate account, you just need to click here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you can see guys, the sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to put your first name, your last name, email address, username, your password and account type. Make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? If you guys have websites, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no. And choose your country from here. Your location, it doesn't matter. You guys can start this business from any country, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, any country, okay? And choose your language from here. And if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. And after you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. This will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard and you should see here commissions, clicks, CTR and so on. What you need to do next is you need to choose good services that you will start promoting on Quora to earn commissions. So what we will do is we will go and open Quora account. If you don't have, that's fine. It's easy. Go to Google, search for Quora like this. Click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, you should have an account like this one with Quora, okay? And you should know that Quora has a lot of traffic, maybe a lot of people they don't know about Quora, but you should know that Quora has get 707 million monthly visitors. Guys, you can get so much traffic from Quora if you do it correctly and if you are following those steps that I'm sharing with you here. So pay close attention. Open your Quora account after you finish your sign up process. This will be your home page. Click here on the search and search for example, I will search for video editor, for example. I'll search for video editor, okay? And I want you to pay close attention. And here you go. Search for video editor and you will find here people search for video editors. Who are the best YouTube video editors? This, you see how many people following this question, which is good. 359 people following this question. They are interested to know where or how can they get the best video editors for their YouTube videos. If we scroll down, who are some of the best video editors? I'm talking about people, not softwares. Guys, those people, they want video editors. Where can I find a professional video editors? Do you see how many people here searching for video editors? So for you, what you will do next, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr. Go back to this home page. Click on the search and search for video editing. Search for this service that people already searching for on Quora. Okay, search for video editing. Scroll down and here you go. You will find a lot of sellers provide this service on Fiverr. So for you as an affiliate marketer, you need to promote this service to those people on Quora to earn commission. It's with free traffic, no investment needed. Okay, but you need to choose good seller. How we can choose good seller? Always choose like level 2 seller or top rated sellers or level 1 seller or pro sellers. Those sellers are good sellers for you as a Fiverr affiliate marketer that you can use to promote those services and earn commissions. Okay, so for example, let's choose one of those sellers. For example, I'm gonna choose, let me see here, I will professional video editing for YouTube. Like this one is good. I think this one is good. Top rated seller, which is good. Over 1000 reviews. I will choose this one. This one is top rated seller. I will just click on his service and here you go. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. This is the proof. You guys can see already people, and that's good. This seller is providing 5% of the first order. That's really a good discount. And you guys can see here 24 orders in queue, which is really good. People already buying this service from this seller, which is good. People keep coming back, meaning that this seller is providing a good service for his customers. Why this service is a profitable service? Because this service, guys, is evergreen service, meaning that people will keep buying the service again and again. And for you, it's good. You will keep earning commissions from every transaction. Those people who will buy this service from your affiliate link, you will keep earning commissions from every transaction those people will make on Fiverr, which is really good for the next 12 months, which makes this service profitable service for you as a Fiverr affiliate marketer. So what you will do, you will copy the link of this seller, copy the profile link of this seller, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click on your dashboard over here. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link, put this seller profile link here, click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you will do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on Quora, okay? So what we will do, we will go to Quora, okay? And for example, guys, here is a pro tip for free. Always go to questions that has a lot of followers, that are followed by a lot of people. Why? Because, for example, like the first question, if we answer this question, those people who follow this question, they will get notification about our answers, okay? So they will check and you have a lot of traffic. That's always choose answers that has a lot of followers. Also like this one, 100, at least 50, 20 people following a question, it's good, okay? So for example, I will choose the first one, it's good for me. I will click here on answer. So what I need to do next is I need to create a good and a professional answer for this question. So I will use ChatGPT, super easy. Go to ChatGPT. If you don't have an account, go to Google, search for ChatGPT and ask him create a professional answer that I can use on Quora to answer people who search for video editor on Quora with my website link, video to video editing service. And here you go. You have a professional friendly message that you can send, okay? I will copy this message. Copy. You can check it out. I will copy. Let me just copy this message like this. And what I will do next, I will go to Quora and I will put this message here, okay? So you see, video editing, if we scroll down, we have here, let me show you. You need here to put your affiliate link, okay? Let me show you. So here we need to put our affiliate link. So what I will do next, So you can check it out here. You need to put your affiliate link here. So for you guys, it's better to use landing page or a blog or an affiliate website. Okay, you don't need to promote your affiliate links directly on Quora. If you would do this, your account can get banned, and even if your account didn't get banned, your answer will go to spam and it will not be showing on Quora. Okay, so it's better to use landing page or a blog or an affiliate website. Okay, so what I will do next, for me, I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account. And for you guys, if you just started this business, you can't see this option Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. Like I said in the beginning, I have been doing this business for over 5 years. I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Marketplace new plan. It's almost the same. Just copy your affiliate link from here. This affiliate link is too much long. I will make it short link. I can use this website to make my affiliate links short links to look clear and good. Okay, like this. I will copy this link. I will go to Quora, okay, and I will put my affiliate link here. Okay, like this. Okay, you can check it out here like this. So for you here, it's better, like I said, it's better to use a landing page or a blog or an affiliate website, okay, to promote your affiliate links with a safe way and start making commissions. And after you finish, just click here on post, okay, and your answer will be posted on choose answer correctly. I will remove this. Your answer will be posted like this, you see. So people who are following this question, they will get notification about this message, okay, and you will see this. If you are looking for a professional video editor to create high quality content for YouTube, social media, or business marketing, I highly recommend checking out this video editing service. What you can get: high quality video editing, smooth transition, color correction and effects, engaging cut to keep viewers hooked. That's really a good professional answer. It's all, you just need you to put your affiliate website link here, and it's a safe way that you can use. Also guys, if you just started a new account with Quora, don't use, even if you have an affiliate website or landing page or a blog, don't put your link here, okay, in the first. At least go and answer at least between 10 and 20 questions with no link, okay. After that, then you can start adding your links to your answers, okay, and that's it. It's super and easy. And here you go guys, you will see like this, your answer will be sent like this, you see. That's a good. That's how we can promote affiliate links on Quora. If you have any question, please just leave it in the comments. Also, guys, you don't just have video editors. You have a lot of services that you can promote on Quora. If we search, for example, YouTube thumbnail. Let me search for YouTube thumbnail to show you. YouTube thumbnail. I'm gonna search for YouTube thumbnail. I'm sure that I can find people search for YouTube thumbnail. How do I find the best YouTube thumbnails? You see this? Followed by 31, which is good. How do I make YouTube thumbnails? If you scroll down, what is the best software to create an amazing thumbnails for YouTube? People search here for a lot of services. Where should I get thumbnail designer for YouTube? He can get it from here. You just need to promote it. Let me show you. Go back to Fiverr. Search for YouTube thumbnail service. Okay, and here you go. You see here a lot of people providing YouTube thumbnail on Fiverr. Go and promote it on Quora. Don't keep promoting just video editing. You have a lot, and not just, also YouTube thumbnail. Let me search for logo design. Guys, you have millions of services. You just need to do research. Just search for those services. How do I find a good logo designer? Okay, you see this? Who are the best logo designers? Where do I get logo designed? Go back to Fiverr. Search for. I can't understand how you guys a lot of people are getting commissions just with those free methods that I'm sharing on YouTube. A lot of people are reaching out to me in my email and thanking me for sharing those free methods, free strategies. But a lot, of course, we have also some people who also they didn't earn any commission yet, and I can't understand. Like, I'm sharing everything, I'm sharing with you the service that you can promote, and I'm sharing with you where you can find people who will be interested, who already search for those services. So it's all about your marketing skills. It's all about how do you market those services. So for example, let's search for logo design. It's almost like impossible to not make commissions like this. So if you didn't making commissions like this, maybe you are doing something wrong. I don't understand. Logo design, scroll down. You see how many people here provide logo design? And people here on Quora search for where do I get logo design? Where can I hire a logo designer online? Do you see this? That's it. You guys can. That's it. I'm sharing everything. That's how this business works, and that's how we can promote affiliate links on Quora. Thank you so much for watching, and I do really want you guys, for people who want to take this business seriously, I want to invite you to join my exclusive course. I have created a step-by-step guide that I'm sharing with you how I'm making over $15,000 every single month with affiliate marketing using free traffic from platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok, and more. You will get access to all my profitable services. You will get access to me to follow up with you personally, okay, and more. If you are interested, feel free to reach out to me in my email address. Also, those methods, they are working. Just it's all about your marketing and how you promote those services. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, comment affiliate marketing, and I will start making more videos like this, sharing new methods, new platforms that you can use to get free traffic, and more. See you in my next videos.